Hello, everyone. Welcome to Yuno Learning. In our series on how to build upon your lexical resources in a much more productive and effective manner, we bring to you a new theme for today's video that is clothes. Now, let's deconstruct the word dress itself. The part of speech dress comes from is a noun, meaning a piece of garment or clothing of a specific kind. Etymology, from Latin directus, that means to direct or put straight, from Old French dresser, that means to arrange or prepare. Sentence, the dress displayed in the exhibition was designed by the most iconic designer of the 90s era. Now, some key terms derived from dress itself are cross dressing. Now, to put on clothes of opposite sex. Overdressed, an adjective, excessively dressed or dressed beyond required standard. Underdressed, adjective, plainly or informally dressed. Dresser, a noun, furniture with drawers for storing clothes. Dress up, a verb, to wear or put on one's best clothes. Dress down, a verb, to wear less formal clothes, and in some cases, to scold or reprimand. Moving ahead, let's deconstruct the term fashion. Part of speech it hails from is noun, meaning the prevalent or latest style of clothing or appearance. Etymology, from Latin fashion, faison, that means fashion, form, or make, or outward appearance. Sentence, he meticulously follows and shops dresses according to the latest fashion trends and icons. Some key terms derived from fashion are fashionista, a noun, one who creates, promotes, or closely follows high fashion trends. Retro fashion, a noun, fashion characterized by wearables from a previous era. Fashionable, a noun, influenced by current or prevailing trend or style. Old fashioned, a noun, outdated or no longer in vogue, that is, trend. Anti fashion, noun, a fashion intentionally contradicting the prevailing trend or mainstream. Let's look at some other terms. Attire, a noun, that means formal clothes. The dress code of the conference mentioned that formal attire is to be worn. Casual clothing, a noun, informal or relaxed outfits. He generally prefers to shop casual clothes which are comfortable to put on. Denim, a noun, type of fabric used for making jeans typically. Denims are a comfy and a trendy alternative to stylish clothing. Shopaholic, a noun, one who shops compulsively. She is such a shopaholic that her entire salary is spent on buying designer labels. Wardrobe. Now, one's collection of garments. His wardrobe has every type of denim article there is to exist. Ethnic. A noun. Relating to a distinct community's tradition, culture, or history. He has an extensive wardrobe of clothing articles ranging from ethnic wears to Western outfits. Vintage, adjective, indicating something of high quality from the past. The thrift store outlets in London are a hub of affordable vintage accessories and clothes. Contemporary, adjective, something that belongs to or occurs in present. Contemporary brands have unique garment customization options available. Now let's look at some previously asked questions in the IELTS exam based on the theme clothes. Are you interested in fashion or clothes? Do you like to wear fashionable clothes? How often do you go for shopping? Cue card. Describe the type of clothes you like. You should say, what is it? What does it look like? How often do you wear it? Now let's try answering the cue card. In general, one likes to wear trendy and stylish clothes, but I personally prefer to put on casual clothes. To be precise, I like to wear denim jackets. Denim jackets have lately been quite popular around the world and among youth. They are quite fashionable but at the same time very convenient to carry and easy to clean. My wardrobe is full of different types of denim jackets. I have jackets in various hues of blues ranging from light to dark. They generally have a lot of rivets which keep the fabric intact yet give it a dot dot dot. Now try extending the answer yourself by the vocabulary we just learned. Moving ahead, there's a question, a writing task in the IELTS. Fashion trends are difficult to follow these days, and it's widely believed that they primarily exist just to sell clothes. Some people believe that we should not follow them and that we should dress in what we like and feel comfortable in. Discuss both views and give your opinion. That's all for today. For more personalized live IELTS and spoken English classes at affordable prices, enroll today. And don't forget to subscribe for more such videos.